Today we're making roasted potatoes, and we have 1.5 pounds of potatoes here. We're just gonna cut them in half. A teaspoon of salt. This is thyme, about a 1/2 teaspoon.
Yeah.
1/3 cup of olive oil, and maybe like a teaspoon of rosemary that we're gonna chop up. We also have about 2 tablespoons of garlic. We're just gonna put it in the potatoes. Gonna combine all the ingredients in here. All right, I put the thyme and the rosemary, the salt, and the olive oil. So we're gonna let it marinate for 15 minutes and set it aside. We're gonna put the potatoes on the pan. The oven is preheated to 375. So this is what the roasted potatoes look like when they're done.